Hi YouTube, I received this today. I thought you might like to join me while I unbox it. I actually saw somebody posted a print on a tarot group on Facebook and said, oh, this would make a great tarot deck. And then somebody else said, yeah, but there is an oracle deck. So as you can see, it's by Blue Angel Publishing. There's the ISBN number if you're interested. Nature is continually enticing us to spend time in her embrace, through the calling of birds, the babbling of brooks and streams, the fragrant smell of the flowers and the whispers of the trees as the wind blows through their branches. Through this vibrant deck featuring the exquisite artwork of Josephine Wall, nature beckons you to experience a world of profound beauty and timeless wisdom. Reignite your connection to the great spirit of Mother Earth and tap into the profound peace, healing and guidance she offers us if we only take a moment to listen. There's a few samples of what to expect, and this comes with 50 cards, which is a bit more than what you'd usually get in an oracle deck, and the guidebook. I haven't opened this. I literally just took the cellophane off because I knew I'd be using this one hand. No, I guess that's just there to protect the book. Oh, it's quite a thin book considering. So the best way I always think is to randomly open at a page. Yeah, not too much to read. Is there a, how to use this? Or does it just go straight into the card meanings? Yes. There's a few pages on the deck, how to read it, shuffling them, choosing, asking questions, blah, 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 blah. Such beautiful art, look at that. I'm excited to find out what card that is actually. So, and there's the deck. So let's tip it out. That's the back. Beautiful, beautiful butterflies. This is quite a large deck. I mean, I've got quite large hands. Just to give you an idea, that is a tarot card on top of it. In case you're interested, it's a Victorian fairy tarot card on top of it. So yeah, it's quite a big deck. So let's take the little band off and have a look. Wow, these are pretty stuck together as well, which I absolutely detest because my hands are quite dry at the minute. Oh, these are really nice. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I've got a feeling I'm going to be using this deck quite a bit. Card stuck to it. So yeah, if you buy it, you need 2 hands to unstick the blasted thing. Oh, there we go, clear out the old. Oh wow. Well, I'm not taking you through the entire 50 cards because I'll be here a while. But yeah, some of these are, oh, that's lovely. Yeah, there you go. I wanted to know what the front cover was. It was Breakthrough. What a pretty, pretty deck. That is absolutely, absolutely stunning. Right, well, if you want to see any more of this, I think I'm going to be using this for a while. Maybe some of my challenges on Instagram. I'm Pretty Tapper on Instagram, if I remember. I'll try and put a link to it in my comments down below. But there you go. That's the deck. The Nature's Whispers Oracle cards by Angela Hartfield and Josephine Wall. Stunning, stunning deck. I am really excited to use this. Really, really looking forward to it. So, just to give you an idea of how much info they give you, that one is Make a Decision. And the book says, for that particular card, which is very pretty, your sheer determination is highlighted at this time. Your spirit will support your desires and manifestations. The ability to create or destroy has always been within your skill base. You have the wisdom and confidence needed to use these skills constructively. Now is the time to act if you know what it is you want to accomplish and why. Since the powers of transformation are at your command, change your desires into objectives, your thoughts into actions, your goals into achievements. If you have recently met with failure, know that you can change that failure into success. The only limits you have are those you impose on yourself. So there you go. It's a nice little amount to go. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what else. The author has also made Whispers of Love. That's also by Angela Hartfield. But no, I fancied that one. Really, really glad I bought that. Bargain. Got it on Amazon. Really happy with that.